A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to a computer period. Myself Shabdika Pandey, a computer teacher, and today we will do some practical related to Tux Paint. In this chapter, what we will learn? We will learn the following tools in Tux Paint, like Shape Tool, Eraser Tool, New Tool, Drip Magic, Edges Effect, Foam Effect, Grass Effect, Rainbow and Real Rainbow, Noise, Smudge, Waves and Wavelet Effect. Okay, in this period or in this video, we will cover these much topic. So let's get started with the topic. So children, as we have already learned in our last video, in our previous video, that this is our Tux Paint window, and in the left side we have toolbar and in the right side we have selector. Okay, and at the bottom what we have a color box, and this area is known as working area, and here we have a penguin which help us to paint in a Tux Paint. Okay, now so let's get started. First topic is shape tool. So where is the shape tool in the toolbar? Yes, this fourth one is the shape tool. Okay, for making shapes, we have to select this shape tool first. After clicking on this shape tool, you can see many shapes here: square, rectangle, circle, ellipse. Okay, by using this down button, you can see many other shapes here. Okay, by choosing any of the shape, you can make a shape. Like I'm choosing this rhombus. Okay, I'm choosing this rhombus. So what will I do? I will click here and make a rhombus. Look, like this. Can you see my rhombus? Yes. By using mouse, I can increase or decrease the size of my shape. Now it is done. Okay. So this is how you can make shape. Now one thing you have to keep in mind, that this one is unfilled rhombus. But if you want to make a filled one, you can select this part. Okay, this filled one. For that, you need to select one color. Like I'm selecting this orange color and selecting this rhombus. After that, I will make it. Look, I can change the size, and now it is done. After clicking, we have made a orange rhombus here. Okay. Now children, now we know how to make shapes, filled and unfilled. Now next topic is eraser tool. Where is the eraser tool? Here we have, in the toolbar we have a eraser tool. This one is eraser tool. By selecting on this eraser tool, you can see different shape and size of the erasers here in the selector. I am choosing this circle, and now what I will do, I will click on the left mouse button and drag my mouse like this. This is how I can erase my picture. Okay, so it will make some sounds, and this is how you can erase your picture. Now what is the meaning of eraser tool? Eraser tool is used to erase the unwanted parts of the picture. Okay, if you want to erase any picture, any part of the picture, you can erase it by using eraser tool. Now next is new tool. Where is the new tool in the toolbar? This one is the new tool. By using this new tool, by clicking on this new tool, we will get many color backgrounds here. You can see the backgrounds. These backgrounds we can change. We can choose any of the background for our picture. Like I am choosing this yellow color background. Okay, so after clicking on this, I will select this open button. Okay. Now it is done. So now you can see the yellow background. Okay, so the use of new button is to create a new background or to create a new picture. Now what is Drip Magic tool? Our next topic is Drip Magic. So what is the Drip Magic tool? It will sprinkle, okay, or what it will do, it will sprinkle, it will look like sprinkled water in the text and it will look like a wet paint. Okay, now let's see how it will look. First we will select the magic tool because it is drip magic tool. Okay, after selecting on this magic tool, we will select this drip magic tool here. Okay, now first we will select text tool. Text tool, why text tool? Because first we will write something, like I am writing Enfield. Okay, after writing the text, I will select this magic tool and select this drip tool. Now my magic wand, can you see my magic wand here? Now I will drag my magic wand here. Okay, now can you see it fade all the color? Okay, it's sprinkle the water, it looks like sprinkled water in it. Okay, so it is already destroyed. Now what I will do, we will move our magic wand at the bottom of this text, so it will look like this. Okay, so this is the use of drip magic tool. Now next is edges effect. Now what is the use of edges effect? By using the edges tool, we can remove the color to get the outline of the drawn image. Okay, now what is the meaning of edges effect? Suppose we are having this shape, this filled shape. Now we want only shape, we don't want that color to be filled. Okay, so what we will do, we will select this, go to the magic tool and select the edges effect. Now we select this edges effect and we are drag our magic wand into our shape. Now can you see this? Now color is removed, only shape is left. So this is the use of edges effect. Okay, now next is foam effect. What is the meaning of foam effect? Foam effect is used to make foam. Okay, foam in our drawing, the bubbles in your drawing. It will look just like a soap bubbles. Okay, for that you have to select this magic tool, and after selecting this magic tool you will go to this foam tool. Okay, so we will select the foam tool and drag our magic wand like this. Can you see this? You can add foam to our picture. Okay, so foam effect is used to make bubbles. Next is a grass tool. Yes, grass magic tool. What is the use of grass magic tool? It is used to make grasses. And children, the one thing you have to keep in mind is that grass effect is used to make grasses, but only in green color. Okay, you have to select the green color. It will make green colored grasses only. So first we will select magic tool and we will select this grass effect. Okay, now for that, for making grasses, we will drag our mouse like this. Okay, after dragging our original grasses, it is looking similar to original grasses, so it will form. Okay, now next is rainbow and real rainbow effect. So children, there are two rainbows. The difference between real rainbow and rainbow is the rainbow effect make the trail of the color. It will make a trail of a color. But real rainbow will make a rainbow which will look similar like a real rainbow which we see in the sky. Okay, it will make original looking rainbow in the sky in the tux paint. Okay. For rainbow and real rainbow effect, first we will select magic tool and after that we will select rainbow effect. How we can make rainbow? By dragging our mouse. Okay, so by using this effect we can make the trail of our colors. For real rainbow effect, we will select this magic tool and real rainbow here, and after that we will drag our mouse like this, and after leaving our mouse like a real rainbow it will look like. Now next topic is noise effect. What is the meaning of noise effect? Noise effect will make a white noise to our drawing. While watching the television, have you seen that black and white dotted structure? So it will make noise like this. Okay, so how we can make? For that we have to select this magic effect, and after that we will select this noise effect. Now for that we will again drag our mouse like this. So this is how you can make noise in your drawing. Okay. Now next is smudge effect. What is the meaning of smudge effect? Smudge effect is used when you draw water bodies in your drawing. It is used to mix the two colors. For example, these are the two shapes we have in our drawing. Now we want to mix these colors from the edges. How we can do that? For that we will select this magic tool, and after that we will select this smudge effect. Okay. Now again what we will do? We will drag our mouse. Okay, this is how we can drag our mouse and mix the two colors. Okay, now it is mixed. Okay, this is how you can mix your colors. This is the use of smudge effect. Okay, now our next topic is waves effect and wavelet effect. Now what is the difference between waves effect and wavelets effect? Wave effect is used to wiggle any picture horizontally. Okay, that means side by side. But wavelet effect is used to wiggle your picture up and down. That means vertically. Now see what it means. First we will select magic tool and then waves effect. For waves effect we will select this picture. Now can you see this? It wiggles the picture horizontally. Now for wavelet effect what we will do? We will first select the magic tool and then wavelet effect and select our picture. Now it wiggles the picture vertically. Okay, so this is the meaning of waves and wavelet effect. Now children, it is done. Our chapter is done. In the next class we will see the question answers. Okay. Now till then, stay safe, stay in your home, and thank you for watching the video.